Oh, sir, what you got there? Yeah, sir, what's that? Oh, this? Ah, this is our new secret weapon. We're gonna start this in the indoor grow as soon as it starts up again. What is it, sir? Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, well, let me take it out and show you guys. It's the Niwa Grow Hub. Automate your garden in minutes. With the Niwa sensor. Oh, what is it, sir? What exactly does it do? Well, what this is it is a system where you plug all of your grow utensils, your lights, your water, what have you, into the system, and then it uses an app to control whatever you are growing. Oh, that's amazing, sir. Yes, amazing. Yeah, so let me unbox it and just show you guys how it came boxed. Later, guys, I'll show you how it works. So this is how the Niwa Grow Hub comes boxed. So here is the actual plug-in unit. So it looks similar to a regular surge protector, but it is so much more. So there is your Niwa sensor. So that's how it comes boxed. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you guys what we're going to have. So I need to do a little research on the product, learn how to use it, and check out the app and get it all set up. Once I have learned all of the ins and outs of the product, I will show you guys how it works. And I will definitely be using this in the 5x5 with the upcoming grow that includes a grow off between the quantum boards. All those 1000-watt quantum boards. Oh, that sounds awesome, General. Yes, that sounds awesome. That sounds great. I can't wait. Oh, all the weapons of warfare in our army, sir. It's amazing. Yeah, it is, guys. I love being part of this, now that we have the Niwa Grow Hub, we've got the TNB Naturals with the CO2. How can we go wrong? This year is gonna be amazing. So with that, guys, all you guys, make sure that you're always keeping happy, staying stoned, and urban gardening. Oh, we are, sir. Yes, we are. Oh, yes.